Good morning students, myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this video we are going to learn about acids, bases and salts. So let us start with the acids. So my dear students, you have seen that lemon juice, orange juice, unripe mango and curds taste sour. Why do they taste sour? Yeah, they taste sour because they contain substances called acids in them. For example, all fruits that taste sour have acids in them. And this acid word comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. So acids have a sour taste. Okay? And there are two types of acids, organic acids and mineral acids. Organic acids are generally obtained from living plants and animals, and mineral acids are generally obtained from the minerals. Example of mineral acids are HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Okay. Now let us see about bases. So bases are substances that are bitter in taste and feel soapy to touch. Baking soda tastes bitter. When you prepare a solution of baking soda in water and rub it, how will you feel? It will feel soapy. So a base has chemical properties just opposite to an acid. Thus a base can neutralize an acid's acidity. Metal oxides, hydroxides, carbonates and bicarbonates are some example of bases. Bases which are soluble in water are known as alkali. Bases that are not soluble in water are not alkali. Thus, all alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Okay? This is very important point, that all alkali are bases, because bases that are soluble in water, only that are known as alkali. Now let us see next. Now let us see about salt. When an acid reacts with a base, they neutralize each other chemical properties and a salt and a water is formed. For example, when HCl reacts with NaOH, then salt and water is formed. Salts can be acidic, basic or neutral depending on their composition. So chemical compounds can be divided into three categories: acids, bases or salts. Now let us see some properties of salt. Most of the salts are crystalline solids. Salts may be transparent or opaque. Most of the salts are soluble in water. Then salts conduct electricity. Then a salt may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter. Neutral salts are odorless. Salts can be colorless and they can be colorful also. Okay students? Now let us see the difference between acids and the base properties. So let us see first of all acid properties. Acids conduct electricity and bases also conduct electricity. Then acids change blue litmus to red, bases change red litmus to blue. Acids have a sour taste and bases have a slippery feeling. Then acids react with base to neutralize their properties. Okay. Now let us see the next. So students, these are the name of some acids that are present in curd or orange, apple. Let us see. So in curd and milk, lactic acid is present. In spinach and tomatoes, oxalic acid. Oranges and lemons have citric acid. Apple has malic acid. Unripe mangoes and grapes has tartaric acid. Then ant sting has formic acid. Vinegar has acetic acid. Amla has ascorbic acid. So, students, I hope you have understood the difference between acids and base, and you have also learned about the properties of salt. Okay? So, today we will end here. Hope to see you very soon. Stay safe, stay home, and be healthy. Okay then. Goodbye.